Yes, hi, I'm Betty Carr, and I'm going to be teaching a watercolor workshop with Scottsdale Art School. I'm so excited, and it's going to be really thrilling. We're going to be going through four Wednesdays. The first Wednesdays, this watercolor workshop will, 4 Wednesdays, will be starting with our watercolors in florals. I'm just showing you a couple examples of. The next Wednesday will be landscape. Here are some examples here of some landscapes that I've done. And we'll be the third Wednesday, we're going to be doing architecture, which again, a couple examples that I've done for different Zoom classes. This is a one that I really like up in Tlaquepaque. And then the fourth Wednesday, we're going to keep it a little bit simpler in that we're going to be doing a critique of all our work. So this is an example of some of the skies that I've done. So come and enjoy the class. It's going to be really exciting. Again, it'll be teaching you how to do loose, impressionistic brush work with this in mind. This is my book called Seeing the Light, an Artist's Guide. And it talks about the whole business of painting light on things rather than things in light. So it's the light that it's all about. So anyway, come and enjoy, and I hope to see you there. We're going to have a lot of fun with some loose brushwork. See you then. Bye-bye.